welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm back with the Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing tutorial, and we are in the month of July. Now before I begin the unboxing, I just want to say to you all, thank you so much for all your support so far. It means the world to me. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you know every time I have uploaded a new tutorial. Now on to the July's beauty box. It is this pretty yellow box. It reminds me of sunshine and it fits perfectly because it's July, it's summer, the sun's out, so why not yellow? These are all the things I have received in the July's beauty box. We also have the Edit magazine and it says let the sun shine here, so it is fitting in with the theme. As usual, we have the editor's notes, products we receive in this month's box, and other information. I did guess that the theme will be sunshine, and we do have a little article on it here, and it's called Behind the Theme Sunshine. The first product in the box is this Papaya Hydra powder. This is 4 grams and it is £17. And on the back it tells us that it's in the shade Colourless. Now this is just a translucent powder that sets your makeup into place. So you apply your foundation and your concealer and then you set it with this using a powder puff or a brush, whatever's convenient for you guys. The next product we have is this Mind Tan After Sun Gel, which is 15ml and worth £14.95. After a sunburn, you apply it to your skin and you let it sit, and I can just show you the texture. It is quite runny, look at that. And then you rub it in the area and let it sit like so. The next product we have is this Foamy Papaya body bar, which is 80 grams and worth £6. So this is what the soap bar looks like, and you have this little string that you can feed it through. So I'm just going to try and feed it through here. Like so. So this soap bar contains papaya and oat milk, which is really good for moisturising the skin, and you use it like a regular soap, so you run it under warm water and then massage it onto skin, and you have like these little bumps which kind of like help rub it into the skin. It doesn't really smell like papaya. It smells really familiar, but I can't figure out what. Next we have this Umberto Gianni scalp scrub, which is 200ml and worth £9.75. This scalp scrub has such a strong scent, I can smell it from here. I can smell like coconut and pineapple, and on here it states, oh yeah, it is coconut and pineapple, and it's an exfoliating anti-dandruff treatment which is vegan and it clears and soothes dry and flaky scalps. So on the instructions it tells us that it's a pre-shampoo treatment which we use once a week to unblock follicles and remove build-up and oil from the scalp. So we apply to wet hair before shampoo, massage gently into the scalp, focusing on the areas of build-up and dryness, leave for 5 to 10 minutes for the pineapple enzymes to work their magic and rinse. Follow with the scalp restore shampoo and conditioner. Oh, it's also, so the ingredients in here, we have coconut oil, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E to nourish hair, locks in moisture and adds shines, softens and conditions. So the texture on this is quite grainy. I'm not sure if you can kind of see my finger there, but it has like little bits in there, so it will definitely exfoliate. And it's another good product. Next we have the Maya Future-Proof Body Butter, which is 30ml and it is worth £4. So this is supposed to be really good for dry skin. We can't use it on the face, it is for the body, and on the back it says use once a day, use deep upward stroke towards the heart. So let's smell it. It smells like an ointment balm, like there's no scent to it. And it is like super thick. I've applied a little on my hand, and it is quite a moisturising product, and if you have dry skin I feel like this will be really great for you. And finally we have the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which is 29ml and worth £1.10. This cleanser is my holy grail. I use it on a daily basis, and especially when I'm double cleansing. The one that we received is for normal to dry skin, and the one I normally use is for oily skin. If you haven't used this before, you use it like a regular cleanser, so you apply some to the palm of your hand and you rub it onto your skin. You don't need to wet the skin beforehand, and you can just wash it off with your hands or use a damp towel. And how cute is the size of this bottle? I mean, it's great for travel. So guys, these are all the products I've received in my this month's beauty box. On the website it tells us everything's worth over £57. Now I recalculated this and I came to a sum of £52.80. I did calculate this twice because I thought maybe the first time around I missed a sum, but no, I still come to the same number. So yeah, I'm not sure what quite happened there. This month's box is not worth over £57. But I think that may be because we have a choice of 2 products. So you either get the Kettle cleanser or you get the sheet mask, and the cleanser is only worth £1.10, but the sheet mask is worth £6 something. So if you receive the sheet mask, then your box will definitely be worth over £57. So guys, this brings me to the end of my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you would like any reviews on the products, then do let me know in the description box below. Don't forget to show your support and give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial.